up, guys? Welcome back. Right now we're gonna head. I don't know where we're going, but we're heading somewhere. We're gonna go pick up a motor. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully we get it. From what I know, it's a 6.0. It's a Corvette motor. It's a real like LS2. I really don't know. But we'll check it out. But it's a good price. It looks pretty good for what it is. You know? So yeah, I don't know if you guys saw some new tires and the rims for my truck. We lowered down the front a little bit because when I had my rims, I had to pick up the front. Doesn't look too bad. Ride's way better, but yeah. I'll see you guys. Oh, remember, subscribe. See you guys right now.
Se siente volver a besar tu frente. Tal vez en otra galaxia sí fue diferente. Tal vez ahí sí se nos dio lo que quisimos siempre.
We just got here to the place. Well, when he has to do this, we can record it.
And then this is the one that came on that SSR. It's a fucking weird van. You know, it's got a place for the drive. You have to go through on a four-wheel drive. I guess when they were building these things, they didn't really give a fuck. They were just grabbing motors off the shelf and putting them in there. And that's the only oil pan that'll fit that frame. The way they got it sit in there. Hey, you talk about a tight fit in the car. That was a tight fit.
Hey, Buzz, is it alright if I vlog?
If you what?
If I vlog, like, cause I have a YouTube channel and I record.
Oh, I don't care, man.
Okay,
You can
I just
record
wanted to
anything
make
you
sure.
want.
Alright.
Just don't sell it to no crooks.
Oh, no. Oh, we won't.
But yeah.
You could think, eh?
Yeah, we just put that's a GM Performance LS3. And the LS3 oil pan, which is in that box, is a low profile, but it's a rear shot. Okay? So we're working a hot rod or something like that. But this little rod, piston actually the piston shattered because the guy wasn't changing the oil. Now these LS motors, they run so lean on the top of the piston with the way they got the fuel mixture. If you don't run that dextrose oil to keep it changed, the pistons will shatter. They just come apart. He wasn't even going that fast when that happened, but you ought to see the oil that came out of this son of a bitch. He'd been paying to have it changed at this place, taking the oil and everything. He's got receipts. And when we took the pan off, I said, man, ain't nobody changed this oil in a long time. And he goes, you're fucking kidding. I said, no, man, look at this shit. It was black. Look, here's this green it came out of it. See how dirty that oil was down there? That goes in the center of that oil pan for the pickup. But I figure you got good crank, good rods, good common cover, camshaft, all that stuff looked pretty good. The heads are great. You know, so I know what these things run. Everything's there you ought to know of. Plus you're getting the bonus of a brand new GM Performance pan. In case you're putting it in a hot rod, I know what you're going to do.
That's for another truck we're gonna do.
I don't think that block's repairable. Some guy in Beaumont said it was. I sent him pictures. He says, yeah, he can fix it. And I said, how are you going to fix it? He says, I got a machine that'll bore that steel sleeve out. And he said, I'll weld the block up, face it, and put a new sleeve in. I said, whatever. Whatever floats your boat, man. I can't believe a block costs that much. LKQ Core's got blocks out the ass.
No, yeah,
That's LS2. 400 horsepower motor. Out of the factory, 6.0 rating. The fuel rail for the LS3 is not the same. You couldn't use it. Only thing I could use was the injectors. You guys came all the way from the state line, huh?
Sir, we're working out there actually.
There's a Chevy dealer out there. I'm trying to remember the name of it.
Stranger.
Yeah. I bought a car for him about a year and a half ago. Those are head bolts. Sure. Come on, sir. Hey.
Oh.
What kind of car is this one? You don't mind me asking?
It's 46 Ford. I got two of them.
I've seen one out there.
That one I bought for parts. This one has been acid dipped, etched, frames completely restored, pink pins, everything. Take a look at it. It's got a flathead in it.
Really nice.
Custom built from California, quarter cam,
Oh, wow.
Mallory ignition. This car here is ready to finish. Got one little rough spot over the door. I mean, it's minor. And just put a new can on back here.
Wait.
But I guarantee you, I've got. Check it out, man. This bitch was done right.
Oh,
All converted to 12 volt.
Yeah.
All new steering linkage, motor mounts, frame mounts, brake lines, hoses, zoomy shocks, 3-inch drop, front and rear.
It's gonna be a badass fucking ride.
Fucking A.
Hell yeah. Badass fucking chain.
And you won't believe, I got chrome pipes to go from here and there. I guarantee I got one whole shelf of brand new parts. It's got the Mallory ignition, already set up. Came from the engine builder in California. They spent $5,500 on this engine. $1,500 to ship it from California back to fucking Texas. Can you believe that shit? I said, man, who was your shipping agent? $1,500, I'd have gone and picked it up myself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's not finished yet. Gets here. Even came on new tires and new brakes. The guy didn't even clean the brakes. They're all brand new.
I think this is a shit.
He didn't want to put fluid in them. I'm gonna clean. If I do it, I'm gonna clean them with that silicone fly, top fly. Got a purple brake fluid. Yeah. This don't ever get quick or nothing, man. You got a whole new system. You look at it. Clean up the motorcycle.
Yeah, we're gonna talk. What do we get?
Well, his sister's around here somewhere. She's lean and lanky, but she's a tuxedo cat, black and white. Him, he's like I said, he ain't never met a stranger. When I moved up here from Pasadena, they were little, So all they grew up here in the woods. They like it here. They got all kinds of little mice to kill.
Hell yeah.
We can set it in here, no problem. They come off the beach somewhere.
From South Padre Drive.
Oh,
Off your driveway?
No, from South Padre.
Oh,
Down-
South Padre.
Yeah, we're from over
Was
there.
the water blue?
Yeah, we're from over there. We're from
I heard it's been turning green.
That's it. We haven't been there in a bit.
Yeah, I just said it was,
It's too hot.
I don't know, from the heat or something.
Probably fucking hot as hell. probably.
Fucking ain't as hot as 2011 was hotter than this.
You think?
Yeah, man, we had 113 degrees one
Oh.
day. And then we had 31 days over. I know, I work outside every day. I keep track of that shit. But we're down to 13 hours and 37 minutes today from sun up to sundown.
Yeah.
By August 22nd, we start pulling away from the sun. This is what I look at. There's 8,760 hours in the whole fucking year. At 168 a week, right? So we got about 400 fucking hours or so where it's really miserable. The rest of the year, it's kind of.
It's that's a badass fucking way to put it.
Well, you know.
Yeah, no, yeah. That's a fun way to put it.
You know, fucking kids born 7,308 days later, they're 20.
Oh wow.
And what's the difference between a 20 and a 3-year-old? A 3-year-old's 1,035 days, and a fucking 20-year-old's 7,300 days. I don't even want to talk to them until they're like 30. And none of us had $1 for every day we were here. We couldn't go buy a new truck.
Well, he's gonna make it happen. Well,
Okay, well,
back it up, no?
back up and we'll get the thing loaded in there.
I think this is a Rolls Royce. Shit. Boy.
I've always wanted a garage
Yeah.
because these guys get their, even me, but we get their tools and we start leaving
I'd
them
rather
here.
have my kid in the fucking garage than out on the street fucking pumping out some
Exactly.
gang.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it should hook everything. Yeah, that's the way I always looked at it.
Yep.
Of course, my kid, he was always into lifting weights and going to the gym. He got plenty of trouble. Little fucker got a free ride to A&M off of academics, right? Him and his boy Charlie. Charlie got money. Brian didn't have a lot of money. Anyway, they go to college. I sit them down before they go to college. I said, listen, guys, you're going to jab needles in your arm. You're going to drink till you can't see. You're going to smoke coke. And just promise me one thing. What is that, B? I said, do the shit at your house or your apartment or way away from everybody else and never in a lighted area. They're sitting under the gazebo on A&M's property, right? Smoking a fucking J. The cops, Billy Bob cops are there watching them pass the joint around. Bust all 3 of them for possession. You know, if you go up to College Station courthouse, there's about, I'd say I saw at least 30 assistant district attorneys, all working with parents for kids that have been charged, right? So they call them, want me to give them money to bond out. Well, you're supposed to have to go up there to bond out, but I knew this detective in Deer Park. He called up there to talk to the bondsman. Bondsman agreed. I gave him my card over the phone and he'd take it. So I told the bondsman, I said, look here, man. I said, this kid's got a real bad problem with authority. I said, I'm going to tell you right now, he might not be there on court day. I said, you need to make a believer out of him. He goes, what would you have me do? So take that little fucker about 50 miles away from College Station, take his fucking shoes and put him out of the car. He goes, are you serious? I said, yeah, I'm fucking serious. I'm pissed. He did it. And he had to be to school the next morning to take a test. So he beat feet back to school and make his test. He'd tell me about the bonds. But Dad, that bonds was weird. Because you can believe what he did, man. You ought to sue him. What did he do, man? Really? He did that shit? Was he mad at you? Well, I did. I said, he was kind of mad. You got your pick me up? I said, yeah. I said, oh, that shit is. Got enough room? There's that piece of Christian.
Oh yeah.
I knew it was there. Yeah, don't change your oil. That's where it is.
We're good?
Now we are, I think.
Good
I
morning.
just wanted to make
No,
sure.
no, yes, sir.
the
Yes,
tailgate
sir.
would close.
Yes, sir.
You want me to pick it up and catch that edge back over here?
You're good, boss?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. At least make
Right
sure
there.
it drops on
Should
one
be-
edge.
yeah. It's good over there?
Yeah, we're all right.
Yeah, hook it somewhere on the block.
I was gonna close this and then put it right here with you.
Yeah, and then bring it over here. So we
real
got it
easy.
turned around, right? We got it going the wrong way. This is this way. Yeah, I've used a lot of these.
Like the rubber.
That's okay. It ain't more than that. Yeah, put your gold in out because you want to pull against your strap. That's how you get it tight. Yeah, see? That way there, when you yank on it, it don't get it. It's hard to pull them up. But you can always pull them down. Yeah, it's tight. It's tight. I can't shake it. You guys get your hands dirty?
A little bit.
There's some hand soap right here.
What's on, Nico?
Right here. And the hose is right out here by the fence, and here's some towels.
You record, bro? You record, bro. So late, guys. Mine's are wet, so.
I have those bottles, but I don't have a pump.
Yeah, well, if you got bottles out there, that's different, you know. And when you go to school, they look funny at you if you got dirty hands. You know? They want to kick you out of class, tell you to go wash your hands.
Hey, the man.
I got expelled for not washing my hands. one time.
Oh,
Working on a 52 Chevy Deluxe, right? Now, this was 1969, 70. I'm like 13, 14. Fucking health and safety teacher. I come in, my hands are all stained from that old fucking oil, you know, wax oil back then. You don't know what that is. We used to have paraffin wax in our oil. That shit was nasty. Couldn't get it off. Plus, your hands are all sore from being banged up. Anyways, you don't want to sit there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, told me, go wash my hands. So I went to the bathroom at school. You know, that green soap they got at school, it don't never take shit off. Kind of like John Wayne toilet paper. And come back in, he goes, you can't do no better now? He goes, just go see the principal. I said, that's fucking fine with me, man. I said, I got more money in my ass pocket than you made last month, so fuck you. I go and see the principal. He goes, why are you getting expelled? I said, because I can't get my hands clean. He goes, who expelled you? I said, the health and safety teacher. He said, all right, go on home. He said, I know you'd rather go home than fucking be here. I said, yeah, because I'll go to the house. You get the job done, make me some more money.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, they chewed his ass up for kicking me out of school.
Stupid ass.
They wouldn't talk to him right then when it happened because they said he was blowed up, you know.
All right, boss. Thank you very much for your time.
You guys be careful.
Yes, sir. Thank you very
Orange
much.
is a long ways, I think. I don't know.
An hour 45.
Is that it? I forget I'm so close to Louisiana.
Yeah, well, that's where we're at. It's Orange, and then we just cross it.
You're right there by the Granger Chevrolet there.
Yep, we're right there.
Yeah.
Right
Cool beans. Well,
Yes, sir.
y'all
All
be
right.
careful, man. Have a wonderful
Thank you, sir.
Sunday.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for
You
coming
too.
early.
there. Be safe, all
Oh,
right?
I am. I'm not doing nothing.
All right. Thank you. Have a good Sunday.
Thank you.
Guys, welcome back. We just got back to the RV. I don't know if you guys saw it on earlier, but the reason we got this one at a good price, which is an undisclosed price, is you see that right there, cracked block. The block has a crack in it, and that, I think it is the only thing that's wrong with it, hopefully, right? Yeah. Like I said, guys, it's a 6.0, and I'm gonna put the spare. Well, first I need to pay the neighbor for the rims.
Is that right?
Yeah, he just got here. But with the money. That's how the truck looks right now. Let me go ahead and get the money for the neighbor. See you guys right now. Right, guys? Just talking to him for like a little bit. But it's hot. It's been hot at work. Supposedly this week, with the one that's coming right now, it's gonna be super hot. I don't know how true that is, but I guess that works. But, damn it, bud. I was going for like 2 minutes, 3, 4, a few minutes. It'll be hot. So, when you get that in there, where I got it here. I got it. And now, what I need to do, spin this lift. Not to do with hands, both hands. So, let me do this real quick and I'll take you guys back up. So, I already got that part down. Or that little piece. This is probably the boring part of the vlog. I don't really expect a lot of people to stay to this part, but damn it, boy. Just finished with that. It was way harder than it should have been. But finally got it. Like that, bro. I'm sweating bad, though. Yeah.